Die. Die. Oh shit!
If fighting is sure to result in victory, then you must run! Sun Tzu said that, and I'd say he knows a little more about fighting than you do, because he invented it. And then he perfected it so that no living man could best him in the ring of fuck.
Maybe. Maybe.
Then he used his fight money to buy 2 of every animal on Earth. And then he herded them onto a boat, and then he beat the crap out of every single one.
Hit shot.
Oh, boy. Oh.
Anytime a bunch of animals are together in one place, it's called a zoo.
Look at me. Look at me.
Unless it's a hell.
Just let rain.